Alright. At 1:55, they're gonna do an emergency alert test. And it's gonna be loud. I have my ringer on too. You know what? I'm turning my fucking volume up. Oh god, here we go. They said 1:55. So, here we go. I'm covering my ears because it's gonna be loud. It's 1:55. Nothing yet. Did they lie? They said Thursday, May 7th at 1:55 p.m. EDT, Eastern Daylight Time. Okay, maybe my phone didn't get it. Do I have to restart my phone? Or what? I don't know, no. Or put my phone on airplane mode. There it is. There it is. Yep. Got it. Again? Bro. God damn. Oh, now they're doing the test for Weather Network. Oh my god. I got it. They're doing everything. So there you go. Bye.